Hey, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It's 2021 and I want to start off with a great video. I don't know if I showed y'all or not, but I got this a while back. It's a 2021 agenda and it's marble, but I wrote down yesterday like some video ideas and like, you know, girl has a lot. But what did I write? I wrote the hair tools collection, hair necessities, like little things I use and like what kind of hair stuff I have, because every girl wants to know like what you got, girl, what you got. But I'm like that too. I want to see like who would you get, because I want to know about like new products and hot tools I have, hair necessities. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button to be notified every time I post a new video, and you won't miss any of my videos. 2021 New Year. So let's get right into this. So for like hot tools and stuff like that, this is a Hot Shot Tools, the Hot Tool brand curling wand. I had this for a very long. This really does the job. Like it gives you, you know, the kind of curls I have this one, and I don't know what size this is. It's probably 1.5 inch, and I have this one, and it came with the bag. It came with the Hot Tools bag, and it came with the protecting glove. This is what I love. Every time when I do anything to my hair or touch any heating products, I always have to have the glove. This is a necessity. I always gotta have it. I need to also get my new one because this one's already like you know, not working that much. My hands are like starting to burn. I always have to have a glove with me. I always have to have a glove. So whenever you do anything hot, you always just wear a glove, just in case you want to burn your fingers or anything like that. They probably have them on Amazon, but this one they came with the Hot Tools, so this is what I have. But I love it. It works. So, and it's cute because when you go to travel, it came with the bag, and you got your glove in there, and you just slide it in, and you don't gotta worry about anything else. So that's a mess right there. The next curling wand I have is this Revlon one, right? Oh no, Remington. I'm so sorry. This Remington one. I think this is 1.5 too. I guess I like to have this kind of size, but this is the one I have. I think I got it from, you can get it from Walmart, Target, probably your local grocery store. This one goes up to 30 degrees, and it's a on and off. The other one was the same thing, but the other one's like a twisty one. And I like about these because like on the sides they don't get tangled, so they go like this. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but like this part, it moves, so like your wire doesn't get all tangled up when you're curling your hair. But I love this one too. This one doesn't come with a case or anything, or heat protecting glove, but I love this one too. This is my favorite hot tools. I go back and forth them because why not? Next is my bedhead TIGI Wave Artist. I have my Wave Artist. Oh, I love this thing. When I first used it, my hand got sore because, like, you know, get clamping. But I freaking love this. If you want some beautiful waves, I do have a video. I'll link it up here on my cards somewhere. I don't know where, but I think it's this side. I think on this side. I'll link it up there so you can watch my video how I used it and how my waves came out very scrumptious. It looks so good. It looks like, you know, just like that Victoria's Secret model. You know, those waves. Yes, but I had this one. I think this was like probably 20-30 bucks. I'm not sure, don't count on it, but this works amazing. If you want to go cheaper instead of the ones like you see like on Instagram, like the ads and stuff, this one's a really great one. I freaking love it. And then lastly, was my mom's or my sister's straightener, and this is a she. This used to be popular back in the day, a she one, but like I use my mom's. She has oh my god, what's it called? It's a blue one. Y'all know what I'm talking about. It's that blue popular one, Baby Bliss, that blue one. I use that one, but I always have this one just in case in my room when I want to touch up my hair. When my hair is naturally straight, it's just, you know, I want to touch up because like sometimes I see my hair wet and it'll have little waves because, you know, it's like all bunched up. So I like just to go over it with this one. It's alright, but my favorite one is the Baby Bliss. So it's in my mom's, but I'm not gonna go get it. It's way over there. But this is a she one. This one's pretty good just to start off with. But the other one I love more because that one straightens your hair. It straightens your hair over there. But I also want to try the Foxy Bay one. You can find those sometimes at like Ross or like Marshalls. I always see them there, but it's like, I'll wait, but your girl needs to go get one. I need to go get like a really good straightener for myself. I need to get a really good curling one, like a bigger barrel, a little bit. I'll show you. I need to get me some like 2 good new hot tools. Probably another get me a straightener, or I can get a straightener and a curling one. I need to get me a bigger barrel one. That's it for like my hot tools. Oh, let me show you the one. I love this one. This is another hot tools. This is hot tools. Okay, this looks so disgusting, but but this right here got so ugly. I don't know how it got ugly, but this, like the idea of this, I want another one of this, but just a little bit bigger. But you get the concept. I've been trying to practice with this one, but I got it down. I freaking love it, but just like right here, it just bothers me, and then like it's already nasty that I need to throw it away, so I'll probably need to throw it away later on. But I want to get another one, like something like this kind of style, and then another straightener. That's what I really need. But this is what I have now. I need to really throw that away. That's like really disgusting. But okay. Oh my god, it's about to fall. Okay, but next is what I use for my heat protectant. I use the Tresemme. This is my all-time holy mother freaking grail right here. I freaking love this, but I would love to try more of this one. I'll always go back to. Is the Tresemme heat protectant up to 450, and it's the best smell ever. If y'all can smell this right here, oh my god, I freaking love this stuff. This is like good shiz right here. I freaking love it. So this is what it looks like. Really cheap, under I think $5. Walmart or Target, probably Walmart's cheaper, but go to the store right now and go get this. This is good stuff right here. I really love that. And I haven't used this in a while because I lost this, but I only use a tad bit. I only use it when I strain my hair, and I hardly strain my hair because my hair's already straightened, so it's like, what's the point? But this is the Argan Silkening Serum, and you can get this at Sally's. It's probably, there's a different packaging for sure. I talked about this in one of my videos. I was doing my hair care routine. I talk about this. You only use a little bit. I only strain my hair like very often, as you can tell. Like I hardly, but I still love it. It still works. Like I use just time because you don't want your hair too greasy. So that's why I use. Next is I like to use this right after. Ew, why is it dirty? Oh right. Okay, this is I love because my hair, like probably like a year ago, 2 years ago, my hair was really damaged from like going swimming a lot, so like chlorine, and my hair was all like ugly. And you know how my hair is like a virgin, and it's healthy and never done anything to my hair, so it just got so ugly. Like if I dyed my hair, like you know the ends, like oh no. So I got this. It's the L'Oreal Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Almond and Protein. So this is what I use right after I take a shower. My hair is wet. I put some in the palm of my hands. I rub my hands and I go through my hair, and then I let it air dry, and I brush my hair, so like when it dries up, it's like soft and silky. And this is really help. It's like a vitamin for your hair. I don't put it on top of my hair. I only put it on my ends of my hair, but this helps a lot. I'm like right here, but this is good stuff too if you wanna go get yourself a protein recharge. L'Oreal is the way to go. Next for like hair mask. I still want to find like more good hair mask. Oh my god, why is my throat like this? But I got this at Dollar Tree. This is the Nourishing Coconut Oil Conditioning Treatment Beginnings by Hask. I got this one. I haven't tried it lately, but any hair mask will do for your hair. Whatever kind of hair you have, go get that kind of mask. This one I used before and I freaking love. It's a Suave Professionals Almond and Shea Butter Deep Conditioning Mask. I feel like deep conditioning is really good once a month to do your hair, or every other month. A really deep conditioning mask is really good for your hair. Brushes wise, I freaking love this. I got this I think at Walmart or my grocery store, HEB. A brush like this to smooth out your hair, to have a silk kind of look. And my mom used to use when I was like in pre-K, and my hair used to be so cute. Like your girl was a show with her hair. So this is a really good brush. This kind of bristles. And I need to get me a new brush because this one, I don't like this. I want to get a wet brush because that one is more better for your hair than these kind of bristles. That's no good. But I freaking love these combs when I straighten my hair. and just slide. These kind of combs are my favorite because it gets really in there and they have all these little bristles and just like slides through. And you can get these at Walmart, Target, Sally's, anywhere. The clippies I use for my hair, I use these clips whenever I'm doing certain hair products. Well, you can't because my hair is really dark, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It puts your hair back and it doesn't leave creases because it has these little bumps. But these tools are amazing. Or I also have, I only use these when I do my makeup. I also have these, but I only use these when I do my makeup. But when I'm doing like hair products, I use my bigger clip. Lastly, where I keep all my little chonquitos, my hair clips, my rubber bands, my hair ties, my headbands, is this. I got this at Dollar Tree, and this is a little container. You can get this, I think, in the craft section. And I keep all my accessories, my hair accessories in here. My little rainbow clips in here. I have a little headband. I have a chonquito. I have another headband, and then these are like my pearls. And then I have bobby pins right under. And then I have my elastics when I want to do braids. And then these are go to my hair extensions. And these are, look, I got the white ones too. And you can put whatever you want. I just keep all of this stuff to keep all nice and clean. And I know, like, when I want something, I just grab this box and I can just take it anywhere I go, and I have everything in here, what I need to do anything with my hair. Yeah, guys, that's all like about my hair tools, my hair accessories, what kind of hair products do I have.
So guys, I forgot to mention, and it was right there, my hairspray. You know, I moved in the beginning. Well, I want to show you what kind of hairspray I use, and I totally forgot this. I'm like, I forgot the hairspray. So the hairspray I use is an Aquanet, and this is a fresh scent, and this is an extra super hold. So this is the hairspray I use. My mom put me on. This stuff really makes your hair light. It really freaking stays there. I like this one. I like the tresemme. I'm still looking into trying out more new ones, but as of right now, I have this one, and it's my favorite, and it sprays and it holds. Let me tell you, it holds. So this is the current one I have right now, and I freaking love it. And you get this at your local grocery store. You can probably get it at Target maybe, and you can get it at Walmart. So this is the one I use.
And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I will definitely get more and show you what kind of hair curls and hair straightener I will get in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on the notifications so you know for every time I post a new video. And Happy New Year's again. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!